Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a SoFi Personal Loan. First, open the SoFi website or app and make sure you are signed into your account. On the main screen, find the Personal Loan section and tap View Your Rate to begin. Next, enter the amount you want to borrow. You can request anywhere from $5,000 to $100,000 depending on your eligibility. After that, choose how you plan to use the money, such as a credit card payoff, home improvement, major purchase, or another available option. Now enter your personal information, including your date of birth, and continue to the next step. Select whether you are a U.S. citizen, a green card holder, or a non-permanent resident. Then enter your home address and answer the questions about your housing situation, including your monthly rent if you do not own your home. After that, provide your income details. Next, decide whether you want to apply with a credible co-borrower. A credible co-borrower is someone with strong finances who applies with you to improve your chances of approval or help you qualify for a lower interest rate. Finally, review the terms, agree to them, and tap Check Your Rate. Enter your Social Security number when prompted and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to view your personalized rate. If you are happy with the offer, submit your final application. This step includes a hard credit check. Once approved, review the loan agreement and electronically sign it to complete your application. Thanks for watching.